Then came the Pandavas. Pandu came into being, and Pandu's sons became the natural heir, natural successors. But if you look at it carefully, Duryodhana had every right to ask, because just because my father did not rule, that doesn't mean that I am deprived of it, because I am the first son's son. I am right. So you cannot say that he is not eligible for it. And he was not blind or anything. So his claim was correct. So similarly, Bharata can claim. Or just because you have first wife doesn't mean the son becomes the first. So he had this doubt. If in case Bharata comes to claim this, what will I do? So the only thing that I should do now is to make this coronation ceremony as quickly as possible. With no delay at all. It's not like you do the engagement ceremony today and when is the marriage? We don't know. We'll marry sometime. You fix the date. That's the whole idea of engagement. If you do the engagement after that, your marriage is old agement. So, and then what's the point? Young age it should become. So, here also, he was quite, apprehensive. What if Bharata will come to claim? So therefore, he calls Rama again for a private meeting. Now you see in the fourth circle. Gateshvata nrupo bhuyaha Oreshu. No, what is this? I lost the raga. No. No, that is Gita. You know what I'm talking. Kateshvata nripo bhuyaha Paureshu saha mantribihi Mantrayitva tataschakre Nischayajnasya nischayam Swayeva pushyo bhavita Shobhiseshyastu me sudaha Ramo rajiva patraksho Yuvaraja iti prabhu Atantargrhamavishya Raja Dasharadastada Sudama mantrayamasa Ramam punarihanaya Pratigrihyatu tadvakyam Suda punarupayayo Ramasya bhavanam shigram Ramamanayitum punaha Dvastairaviditam tasya Ramaya gamanam punaha Shrutvaiva chabiramastam Praptam shankanvito bhavat Praveshya chainam tvarito Ramo vachanam abravit Yadagamana krityam te Bhuyastat bhruhya sheshataha Tamuvajat tadassuto Raja tvam drashtumichchati Shrutva pramanam tatra tvam Gamanayetharayava Idi sutavaja shrutva Ramo vittvarayan vitaha ययौ राजभवनं पुनर्द्रष्टुं नरेश्वरम् भूयः पौर्येषु गतेषु नृपः सह मन्त्रिभिः मन्त्रयित्वा निश्चयज्ञः निश्चयं ततः चक्रे भूतेषु पौरेषु गतेषु. I have explained this in Sanskrit class. Sati Saptami it's called. On the event of all the citizens having gone, शुष्के नीरे कः कासारः ज्ञाते तत्वे कः संसारः. ज्ञाते तत्वे, both are in Saptami. Saptami, gate, ज्ञाते तत्वे, वयसि गते, कः कामविकारः. That's a beautiful usage of that Sati Saptami. In the event of age is gone, where is desire? In the event of water gone, where is lake? In the event of knowing this knowledge, where is samsara? Vayasi gate kaha kama vikaraha sushke nire kaha kasara. So in that way. So, paureshu gadeshu, when these citizens are all gone, nrupaha, this king, nityajñah, nischayajñah. When you add jña to a word, means he who knows. Alpajñah, meaning alpam janati idi alpajñah. Knows less. Knows less. He knows less. Patajñah. So, Vedajñah, meaning Vedam janati iti Vedajñah. That way. Ñah, when you add. So, Nischayajñah, he who knows how to take decisions. So, here the king has to know how to take. There are two things. One is to take decision, another is to make decisions. What is the difference between these two? Both are what? What is the difference between taking decision and making decisions? Taking decision is where you take or choose one of them which is presented in front of you. This, which one you want? And especially when you ask your children for breakfast, what do you want for breakfast? What is not there, he will tell you. Tarty top, what is that called? Tarty, what is that morning? Huh? No, then whatever it is, I don't understand. So, what is that? Pop tart. I have no idea what it is. So, usually what is there, when you choose one of them, it is called taking decision. You make a decision and make it happen. That is called making a decision. It's not among the things that are available. It's not there, but make sure that you make it happen. So the king must be both capable of taking and making. Nischayajñah. Such a king who mantribihi mantrayitva, tva pratyaya, having thus consulted with his counselors, nrupaha bhuyaha mantribihi mantrayitva. He did not take decision because he wanted to make sure that his decisions are accepted by his own councilmen also. So after everybody is gone, now what are you thinking? You have any doubt? Anybody has to say anything about it? So all of them have been consulted, and then Nischayam Chakre, he made a decision. Yes, what? Tomorrow itself is the coronation. Shvaeva, tomorrow itself, Pushyo Bhavita. So this Pushya Nakshatra is a very auspicious one that is happening. Shvaha abhishechyastu me sutaha. May my son be coronated. Ramaha who? Ramaha Rajiva Patrakshaha. Yuvaraja iti Prabhu. My own, the son here, Rajiva Patraksha. He who has the eyes like that of the lotus petal. Rajiva Patraksha. Yuvaraja iti Prabhu. That he be the king of the, the prince of the kingdom. So, Ata Antargraham Avishya, having gone to his inner chamber, Raja Dasharatha, the king here, Dasharatha, Tada Sutam Amantriya, he called his personal, close associate or confidant, Sumantra, come here, Ramam Punaranaya. Punarihanaya, please bring Rama again. No, as Sumantra said, just now he left. But even dust is not settled down. Why do you want him again? No question asked. If the king has said, bring him, no question asked. Okay. You cannot say, no, I think he has not even left the corner. Why do you want to do that? I can probably text him. No question of texting. Go and bring him. So then, Pradigrihyatu Tattvagyam, having listened to that statement of king, Sutaha Punar-upayayau, he again took his chariot and went behind Rama. Ramasya Bhavanam Shigram Ramamanayitum Punaha. He again went to the palace of Sri Rama for the sake of bringing Rama back. And there, the Dwarapalakas were standing there. Security guards. There is called, what called? Bumpers. What is it called? Bouncers. I have not gone anywhere. Who said that? You?
They have in high school.
I know, bouncers. I don't know what is bouncers. If you hit them, you bounce.
They bounce
Bouncers. Dwastaihi. Dwastaihi means those who are standing there in Dwar and Dwara. Dwastaihi Aveditam Ramaya Agamanam Punaha Shrutva Ramaha Tam Praptam Shankanvito Bhavat. Ramaha Shankanvitaha. Anvitaha means endowed with. Doubtful. Shanka means doubt. Shankanvitaha Abhavat. He became very doubtful. Having listened from the Dwarapalakas or bounce that the Aveditam is what is being taught, informed him about Ramaya Agamanam, Punah, again to come back. So why again my father wants? Just now he asked me to go and then what is this? So Praveshya cha enam tvarito Rama vachanam abravid. He came to the inner and outer chamber and then he looked at Sumantra. Why? What's the purpose? Yad agamana krityam te bhuyah tat bruhi asheshatah. Asheshatah, fully, without leaving anything behind. Asheshatah bruhi, tell me, what is the purpose? Agamana krityam. Krityam, when you add purpose. Agamana krityam, gamana krityam, vachana krityam, bhojana krityam. Krityam, when you add purpose. For what purpose? He is asking me to come back. Tell me that, Sumantra. Sumantra just drew a blank face. I don't know. I have no idea. Because I never asked him, why are you wanting your son back again? So he says, only thing is, you want to go or not. That's all you need to say. And then I will go and tell. He is only Duta. Tamuvacha tatasutaha. Sutaha tamuvacha. Raja tvam drashtumichati. The king is wanting to see you. Shrutva pramanam tatra, having listened to this command of yours, command is by the king, tvam gamanaya itarayava. You tell me what you want to do. You want to come or not come? What is your plan? You tell me. I have no idea why he wants to see you. So now this kind of an answer when it comes to what will you do? Okay. So, let me begin go. Idi Sudavaja Shrutva Ramo Vitvarayan Vitaha. He also quickly prepared himself. Prayayo Raja Bhavanam Punaha Drashtum Nareshwaram. To see the king again, he went there. So when he went there, what is that? Tam shrutva samshrutva samanupraptam Ramam Dasharato Nrupaha Praveshayamasa Griham Vivakshu Priyamuttamam Prabhishannevacha Sriman Ragavo Bhavanam Pituhu Tadasya Pitaram Durat Pranipatya Kritanjalihi Pranamantam Tamuptapya Samparishvajya Bhumipaha Pradishya Chasanam Chasmai Ramam Chapunarabravit Ramavruddhosmi Dirgayuhu Bhukta Bhoga Yatepsitaha Angavadbhi Kritashatai Yateshtam Bhuri Dakshinaihi Jadamishtam Apatyam Me Tvamadhyanupamam Bhuvi Dattamishtam Adidam Cha Maya Purusha Sattama Anubhutani Jishtani Maya Viras Sukanyapi Devarshi Pitru Vipranam Andrunosmi Tadatmanaha Ramam Sanuma Praptam Shrutva Dasharataha, having learnt from his messengers that Rama has arrived, Ramam Tanumar Samyak Anupartam Shrutvatam Praveshayamasa Griham, having entered the chamber again, Vivakshuhu Priyamuttamam. Vivakshuhu? Vivakshu? Mumukshu? Mumukshu is what? In Sanskrit mein batao. Sanskrit explanation. Mumukshuhu. Moktumichuhu. Moktumichati, moktumichuhu, mumukshuhu. Right? One who wants to free. Bubukshuhu. Bhoktumichuhu. Bubukshu. One who wants to eat. Yuyukshuhu. Yoktumikshuhu. Yuyukshuhu. Vaktumichuhu. Vivakshuhu. He who wishes to say, it's called Vivakshuhu. So he who wishes to say, Priyam Uttamam Vivakshuhu. Wanting to say something very dear to his own son, Sriman Ragavaha Bhavanam Pituhu Bhavanam Pravishan Neva. Pravishan? Huh? With Pratyaya? With Pratyaya? Shatru Pratyaya. While entering, Pravishan, Pravishat, Pravishan, Pravishan Nevacha Sriman Ragavaha Bhavanam Pituhu Dadarsha, he saw Pitaram Durat, he saw him from a distance, Pranipatya Kritanjalihi, he saluted to him from a distance itself, Pranamantam, Pranamantam, Bhagavantam, Srimantam. What is it? Don't draw a blank face on me. What is Pranamantam? What is it? One who is thus saluting. Yes, second. That is in Dutiya Vibhakti. Pranamat. Pranamantam. Pranaman. Pranamantam. So that is Shatru Pratyaya, where it is the one who is, to the one who is saluting. Pranamantam tam. Utthapya, lifted, having lifted. Samparishvajya, having embraced. Bhumipaha, Bhumim Phadi iti Bhumipaha. He who protects the earth. So Bhumipaha Dasharatha. Pravishya cha Pradishya, having shown. Cha Asanam, the seat. Cha Asmai, to him. Ramam cha Punarabhravid. So he spoke to Sri Rama. Hey Rama, Vruddhosmi, I am old. Not many people say that thing. Vruddha asmi, I am old. Dirghayuhu, lived long. And Bhoga yatepsita bhokta. What does that mean? Bhogaha yatepsitaha bhokta. I have enjoyed all the various desirable things already. Bhokta, what form is that? What form is that? Come on. What is form? It is passive form. Me bhokta, you see that? Yukta bhoga, yadipsida bhoga, angavadbihi, with various limbs, kraduhu, various rituals also, shataihi, hundreds of them, yatayishtam bhuri dakshinaihi, yatayishtam, as desirable, and with all various dakshinas also. I have already done jadamishtam apatyam me jatam, for me are born, apatyam son, tvam you, adya now, anupamam bhumi, in this world who is incomparable. Because of I who having performed various rituals, hundreds of rituals, and thus having given all the various charities, I have gained the son like you now, who is incomparable in this world. Dattam, ishtam, adidam cha maya, see the maya. Maya dattam, by me is passive form. Maya dattam, by me it is all given what? Various things. Ishtam, adidam cha, I have already studied also scriptures. Purusha Sattama, oh, best among the son, among the people. So, I have enjoyed all the bhogas. I have done all the various rituals. I have done charity. I have studied the scriptures. Anubhutani cha ishtani sukani abhimaya. Maya, by me, ishtani sukani api anubhutani. These are all beautiful, Sanskrit learning is made. Sukani, some Sindhi name. Sukani means Sukam, Suke, Sukani. Sukam is neuter, so Sukam, Suke, Sukani, Dukkam, Dukke, Dukkani. So various pleasures have been anubhutani, enjoyed by me, ishtani, various desirable thing, maya, evira. Therefore, Deva, Rishi, Pitru, Vipranam, Andrunosmi. Nruna means obligation. So there are various nrunas are said to be for everyone. Devarana, Pitrurana, Rishirana, Viprarana. So now you see, Devarana is what are you obliged to give back to the Devatas. That is why we go to the temples, etc. It is an obligation to go to the temple is because we have been receiving various things from various gods. Sun, moon, fire, water, earth, space, so many different deities, Varuna, Indra, and so many others are providing us all these various facilities because of which we are able to survive. We are obliged to them. Therefore, Devaruna. Varuna means an obligation. Pitrurana means your forefathers, for whom the way to pay back to your forefather is to get progeny, beget sons, so daughters. So that is the way you continue the lineage, that is the way you give back to your Pitrus. Because you perform the various Shraddha ceremony, not only for your father, grandfather, great-grandfather and all. So, and then your son will do for, so it's continuously, it is being, gratitude is shown. That's called Pitrurana. Then we have Vipranarana. Viprana means Brahmanas. And Rishirana is Adhyayanam. Veda Adhyayanam is Rishirana. By study of scripture is the obligation or gratitude you show to your teachers. The gurus are happy only when you study. They are not happy that you are dakshina and all. They least care about that. So the rishis are interested in you individuals studying the scriptures. That is the very purpose of their role in our life. Then Vipras means the Brahmanas. They are happy when you give them dakshina. So I have done all this. I have worshipped the gods. I have got you as a progeny and all the other three brothers. And I have studied the scriptures. So that is done. And I have given enough of Bhuri Dakshina. I said that before. I have given enough all this charity also. And he says that Atmaruna also. Anrunosmi tada Atmanaha. So personal obligation, my obligation is to make you the king. That is my personal obligation. That is what I should do to the kingdom. So that I am trying to do right now. So then I become Anrunaha Asmi. And then I will become free of any runa. Sri Ramana Maharshi used to say, when you go around this Arunachala, Aruna. When you do the Girivalam of that, you become Aruna. Meaning you will free become all obligations. Because Bhagavan takes care of the whole thing. You go around that Giri, Arunachala Giri, then you become Aruna. Runa is over. Your Runa for the people, everybody is over by going around that. So then he says, I have a lurking feeling about something which I need to talk to you about. We'll see that tomorrow. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah.